What sound does baby I make? Baby I doesn't like carrots, so she would say eh. And when we add our next letter, what sound does N make? Let's put those two sounds together.
Because it comes from your nose.
It does. It comes from out of your nose. If you feel it around your nose. So now let's try to sound out this first word. N. This is our first word, N. Baby I, and the mouse is in the N.
I already know that word.
N.
Go home. Go.
What sound does G make?
Go.
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 So you think this word is go, Jordan? And Corinne, what do you
I
think
know
this
it.
word is?
My teacher tell me.
What about Hope? What do you think?
Go.
Gabe?
Go. I could say it.
Okay, so here we have we have Gigi, and she's swallowing her G, and she's telling the mouse to go. Go.
Hold your throat and swallow your G's.
Go. Sorry, Christian, what word is this? What word do you think this is?
Leave.
It's not leave. Our friends, tell us what this word is.
Go.
That's right, Christian, go.
The word for me, because I say it.
So let's read our first two words.
Go.
And go. Okay, here we have another word, a new word.
Song. Oh no.
Jordan thinks it's some.
Song.
What sound does S make?
Part. I think it's so.
What sound does S make? Good. And as Hope said, she has popcorn. She doesn't have just one piece of popcorn, but she has three, so she has some. She has some. Everyone say this word with me. Some. Okay, now let's read. In, go, some. What went in?
Snail.
Someone thinks it's snails.
Snail. Yeah, I know it. Snails. I know it. I said snails. Me too. Snails.
Thank you, Hope. And again, we have Esther, and what sound does S make?
Snail.
And then N, what sound does N make? L. Snail. And go some snails. How many snails went into the pot? Let's pay attention. I'll ask the question again after Aunt Corinne is done. Gabe, let's pay attention.
It's not the B word, it's the B word.
She's making our first sentence. Okay, Aunt Corinne, read the sentence for me.
And go some snails.
Good, snails. How many snails went into the pot?
A lot.
Well, let's count. How many? That we can see. 1, 2. So look, it has a little S on the end to show that there's more than one snail that went into the pot. And we've counted at least 2 that went in. Okay, can I have another volunteer to come up? Good job, Anchor.
Me. Not me. I heard someone said the B word.
Okay, Gabe, come on up for me.
Nail and the B word.
Would you two like to be separated?
No.
Okay, well, let's pay attention. In go some snails. Okay, read your sentence.
Go pop
Look at the first word again, baby.
Okay, let's start over.
snails.
Let's start over. And
It starts with that I, and she says what? She does.
Go popcorn.
No.
some.
Baby, look at it. Instead of just telling, give the clues. Gabe,
Okay.
look up there. It's an S. What sound does S make? And she doesn't have only one piece of popcorn. She has
Some.
some.
Yeah.
That's me.
Yeah.
Hey, that's him. Dump it on him.
Okay, Ann Corinne. Close your eyes and choose something out of the bag.
Dump it on her. Dump it on her.
What's that? Read your sentence first and then tell us what you have.
Makeup. It's for makeup.
What do you have? Show everyone.
Don't touch him with it. Don't touch him. Touch him. Touch him. Touch me. Touch me. Touch me. Touch me. Touch me. Touch me.
Put your makeup brush in the pot. Is that what we want in our soup? It's yeah. Yeah. And come on up, Hope. You patiently waited.
Put your pajamas on. Yawn. Mr. Y. Everybody yawn with me. Yeah. 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 That made her yawn for real.
Me too.
Yeah, it makes me yawn for real too. But Wiley Eli said, "You're funny." Funny. Seth, find the Y in the word funny. That's Wiley. We're looking for the word funny. That's Wiley. Seth, look at me, darling. The word funny would start with a sound. There, you found the word funny. Now find the Y. No. There's the word funny. Now find the Y in the word funny. There it is. Is it at the beginning or the end? End. So it's going to be a vowel. And what does it say? E. Fun-y. 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 There you go. So let's all giggle. E. And that Y doesn't make us yawn, does it? No, only the beginning one. All right, here's Dad again telling him to get ready for bed. Brush your teeth. Yawn, Mr. Y. Get ready to yawn. Yeah.
Here's Black. Not me. I'm gonna write it. My hand green. Actually, here it's one color hair green. Somebody green my hair green.
Still makeup
But
green there.
because
Okay. What's after that?